How to fix login error in ArrivaClick application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General and click on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the ArrivaClick application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again and click on Reinstall application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And sometimes it can also be your device's fault and not the app itself. So what you can do is you can restart your device once and try to open the app again. It might also solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.